I'm going to try and do a makeup video. The light is shining and it's kind of annoying. Ugh. But I'm going to try my best. Because, you know, I need to get one done. This is kind of like a goldy brown look. I've used the Stacie Marie palette again. This one. I mean, for now, this is what we're going to create. But I'm going to change it up a little bit afterwards. This is just for like anyone that doesn't want to go anything like dramatic or out like that. So we're going to go in with the first colour, which is basic, which is this one. And I'm using the Zovia Luxe Crease Brush. The sun really doesn't want me to do this today. So I've been doing any off. I'm just going to bring it up to slightly into the brow bone. If you can see it. I'm sorry if you can't see it, but it's because of the light in here. Seriously, need a ring light. It make my life so much easier than doing it like this. It's just, all I can do is use the window and the sun kills my eyes. So, obviously this is not very dark. It's there, but it's not totally dark. But we don't want it to be really dark. To be there so you can just see it. And this look is quite pretty. And it looks nice. I mean, obviously I don't know if it's shown up on camera very good, but in person it looks really pretty. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it does look pretty in person, and something you could wear all the time. So the next colour we're going to be going in with is Rowdy, which is this, that mirror, damn it, is this dark brown in the corner, and we're going to be using the Zovia Luxe Petite Crease Brush. Now this is quite pigmented, but what I did was, I swear I'm going to go blind doing this tutorial. What I did was I tapped it in the corner first, like laying it down. So it is quite pigmented, but I mean, as you drag it across, it doesn't seem as dark. So you might have to light it a little bit, but been searching everywhere for a dark teal greeny blue colour, and the only one I can find is in the Flamingo palette, or it's what's it called, Coloured Rain. But Coloured Rain is from America, so like I'd have to get that shipped, and it would end up costing me loads of money just to get it shipped over here, which is not worth it. So it's either do that or wait for the Flamingo palette and just buy the Flamingo palette just for that colour, which is kind of sucks. But I just love the colour, and every time I've seen someone using it, it looks amazing. And I really want to try it. But it looks so beautiful, the colour. And like I said, it must really end up costing more just to get the one shipped. So I might just buy that palette. I don't know, we'll see. What do you guys think? Are you interested in the Flamingo palette? I'm sorry if this video is a bit crap, but I mean, it's best I can do. Right, so I'm going to go in with a little, I'm going to die. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of concealer just to coat the top bit out, because I want the gold to obviously go up there. Get the mirror without blinding myself again. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I'm going to cut this out, and we're going to go up here. I'm going to get this detailed shader brush. It's like a flat brush from Zovia. See, I got these in a set, so I think I've done that. Hang on a minute. I think it's the rose gold set. If anyone's interested in getting them, they are nice brushes. Anyway, I'm going to go in the colour Queenie. It's like a bronzy metallic colour. Packing it on. And I'm going to press, because when I did swipe them on, it didn't seem to go on as good. But if you do like little dabbing motions, it goes on. I mean, I wouldn't say they're the best metallics to work with in this palette, just because I'm having to do this right now. And with Jeffree Stars, you can just basically just swipe them across and they look brilliant. So they're not the best metallics, but they're not the worst. When you go back to the Jeffree Stars older palettes, they're awful to put on. But anyway, they're there. I'm just going to go back in with that Petite crease brush just to... Didn't actually have to do this on the other eye, but you know, doing this one. Right, and then I will be right back. Sorry about that, I forgot my mascara and my towel to wipe my brush off. So I'm going to wipe this crease little, what is it, detailed shader brush off. And I'm going to go in with the colour Moony. This one here. I've actually got a Moony, but I forgot I had the pink Me. And that's really nice as well. Get this mirror without blinding myself. And I'm just going to pop that under the brow. Obviously before I'd done my eyes, I did use the concealer and stuff. Concealer, and I put on some primer. Sorry, I'm just a bit tired and yeah. I'll come a bit closer because see if I come a bit closer you can see that it is nice. It's just the light. It's not showing it very well. It's just being a pain in the bum, really. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara. And then I'm going to put some glue on my Violet Boss eyelashes. Yes, I'm still using the Violet Boss eyelashes. The same ones I've been using for a bit. They're totally not done with yet. So yeah, I'm going to use them. And while we're waiting for them to dry, and I have been using this palette quite a lot. And well, not quite. I've used it a few times. I've got the, if you see, I've got the highlighter on at the minute, and it is quite nice. It's like a pinky kind of toned. Highlight moves when you move. But the only colour that I didn't find great was this green here. I was hoping it was like I don't know, like the brown. I was hoping it was like a deeper green, and it wasn't. It was like quite rubbish to use, so I was disappointed. I mean, all the other colours are really, really nice. The yellow is not as bright as, it's like that, but it's not as bright as, say, like Juvia Place, which that yellow is like amazing to use. That yellow was even better than the Jeffree Stars yellow. So yeah, but yeah, there's some nice colours here. I do recommend it. It is worth it though. I mean, £40 for all that. It is worth it, especially if you're into colours and things, which I am going to be adding to this look. Sorry about that. I had to go down there to get my towel. Yeah, I'm going to add some colour to it. So what I'm going to do is like this now. What you see right now is going to be for like every day. Something you could wear, I don't know, to your work, anything like that. Keeping it simple. Put this eyelash on, and then like obviously the popper colour. I mean, you could still wear the popper colour to work or whatever. It just depends what policies they have and stuff like that. But we all know I like to be a little bit different. Sorry about that, my eyelash wouldn't stick, so I had to do it off camera. It wouldn't stick, and it was like, I had to put my glue on. So there you have it. That's the look if you want to keep it all nice and pretty. But I don't want to just keep it like that, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of colour. Because I'm wearing pink, or because my hair's blue. I think I'm going to go in with blue, like a bluey green. So we're going to go in with mint, mint colour. Just on this detailed shade of brush. I'm just going to pop it underneath. As you can see, the colour is really pigmented. Just, oh, it's awkward today's video today. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to hold this mirror in my face so the sun's in my eyes and it's just like, I'll go in the way. So anyway, it's proper pigmented as you can see. I'll just do the other eye. At least I shouldn't get in the mirror this time. Like a duck sound or something outside. Ugh, poke myself in the eye. I thought that eyelash should have been a pain then. Right, and then just in the corner, I'll show you some. So I used mint, which was that one. And then in the corner, I'm going to take Breezy, which is this metallic shade. Just on that same brush. And I'm going to just pop that in the inner corner of my eye. There we have it, the finished look. Just makes it pop a little bit, like in your face. Pop. So yeah, still loving the palette. We'll be doing some more looks on this palette. Hopefully my other palettes as well. Just being busy again and still poorly. My tooth still hurts. Still haven't had it fixed till next week. So I've been struggling with that. But yeah, so like it's basically like 2 looks in one really. Like you can go with the no colour and basically slay that with the brown and gold, or you can slay it with the colour too. I do think it adds up as an easy eye look. I don't think it's like anything like majorly bad. It's not hard to do really, apart from with the cut crease. Depends if you're not very good with that kind of thing. I'm not great with it either, guys. Joe, I do suck at it. I just do the best I can and go with it really, and it's making me better. So yeah. So, if you liked this look and you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll try and bring you more videos, and oh soon we have the new cohorted box coming. I know it's being shipped now, and I do know that it has the Gucci eyeliner in it. Now I don't usually use pencil eyeliners, I usually use gel, but I'm going to give that bitch a go. So, see you next time. Remember, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.